hele humlen i teknologien, det er det, vi laver. Det er det, vi laver herovre, hvor man ser, at den her væg, den snor sig jo, som om det var en slange eller en bølge. Og det vil være med konventionel teknologi være nærmest umuligt. Det vil i hvert fald være ekstremt dyrt.
When this small office hotel is complete, it will be the first 3D printed building in the entire European Union to pass the strict EU building codes. It is being built in Nordhavn in Copenhagen by the company 3D Print Huset. Henrik Lund Nielsen is the CEO of the company and is heading the project.
Vi er jo helt vildt spændt på det her projekt, og helt vildt stolte af, at vi laver det først i Europa. Og personligt glæder det mig, når vi kommer her, så kan vi se, at så i løbet af 2 timer, der har vi lige nået at printe en 20 cm ekstra. Så det er jo bare super godt, og det viser jo noget af potentialet med teknologien.
The European Union is investing 100 billion euros into 5 emerging technologies. This investment, as well as the creation of the first 3D printed building in the EU to pass the EU building codes, has raised the question of whether 3D printed buildings are going to become extremely common around the EU.
Det er jo sådan set første gang i Europa, at der er nogen, der prøver på det her. Så der er jo en hel masse ting, vi skal holde øje med.
The reason some believe 3D printing will become more popular in the EU is largely due to its cheap cost of production. It is inexpensive because less human labor is needed to build projects compared to traditionally built houses. Also, when building the normal way, a lot of material is wasted by being cut into the right shape. However, 3D printing wastes nothing, as only the material that is needed gets used. At the Royal Danish Academy of Fine Arts in Copenhagen, Associate Professor Martin Tamke is studying 3D printing and how to advance the technology. He's excited to see how this new building will push forward the 3D print industry.
The guys here, they make really important experiences with that on this way. I guess there will be way more to come, and they will also learn how to answer questions about efficiency and budgets, etc. And also what the reactions of the people who are actually going to live and use it are to this way of building. You're not limited, theoretically at least, by the fact that you need to transport stuff from the factory to the place, but you can make it on site. And that's quite revolutionary, and that really changed the way how we think production.
Right now, houses are mostly constructed in pieces off the building site and then transported to the location. However, 3D printed houses are constructed on-site.
Det, der er karakteristisk, det er, at printeren den kører jo sådan set rundt af sig selv og finder ud af selv, hvor det er, den skal printe henne, og kører så videre, som vi ser her, lag på lag, og den printer jo så cirka 2 cm per gang, og så overvåger vi processen herover, at alt går tilfredsstillende.
Despite the many positive points to 3D printing houses, the technology still faces many challenges. Sarah Osmussen is an architect who works for the Danish Transport, Construction and Housing Authority. She says that 3D printing still has many problems, but believes the new house will advance the technology.
Along with this 3D printing, we've been recognizing that it's there and it's in an early stage, and we think there might be some possibilities, but it's too early for us to incorporate it in our requirements in any way, and it has to become cheaper as well. The way we learn in the construction industry is by example. So if anyone builds an example, people will go there, they will see the house, and they will seek more information about how was this done, and can we learn something, and what was smart, and what worked and what didn't work. So definitely, I think it would have an impact on the Danish construction industry.
The project is expected to be complete this fall. However, it's been a long journey with many technical difficulties.
Og i og med, at det er et demonstrations- og et udviklingsprojekt, så er det jo ikke alt, der forløber præcis som det skal. Det sjove ved det er, hvis vi ser vores udfordringer igennem, så har 90% af dem ikke været relateret til 3D-printningen, men relateret til alt det, der hører sammen med 3D-printningen. Og blandt andet har materialetilførslen, som er det, vi ser her, hvor betongen kommer ned i printerhovedet. Det har været en af de helt store udfordringer med forkert leveret materiale, der ikke har overholdt specifikationerne, med pumpeaggregater, der går i stykker, og med slanger, der er eksploderet. Der er jo forskel på, hvor teknologien er henne. Det er den, der er under udvikling. Det her hus, The Bot, Building on Demand, som vi kalder den, fordi det er jo os, der har bedt computeren om at bygge det på den her måde, så det er build on demand. det bliver en endelig struktur, eller den skal i hvert fald stå her i 10 år, og der skal være kontorhotelsgæster, der lejer sig ind og så videre, så den kommer til at være fuld operational og funktionsdygtig. Men det, der er demonstrationen og udviklingen, det er selve printteknologien.